This blind husky just detected deadly carbon monoxide before any alarm went off. Because at 2 a.m., Michael was sound asleep when Storm started frantically pawing at his door and howling. But Michael tried ignoring him, thinking he just needed to go outside, so he got up to let Storm out. But Storm refused to leave, actually blocking the doorway and growling at Michael every time he tried going back to bed. So Michael finally walked into the hallway and immediately felt dizzy. But when he grabbed the CO detector, it read 287 parts per million, lethal levels. So he rushed outside with his son just as the alarm finally went off 3 minutes later. If you think this husky is a hero, subscribe and like this video.